Hey everyone, okay, so today we're going to be doing the unboxing for January's BirchBox. So if you stick with me, I will see you in the video. Okay, so for January, the BirchBox is going to look like this. It comes with a little pull drawer instead of the traditional like flip up like for December was, or the shoebox style for all the other months that I've had it. And I've showed some of those in the other videos as well. So this little card that tells you everything about what's in the box. It also gives like little inspirational sayings on this one. Alright, so this one is BirchBox tip number 23. It is easier to prevent dry skin than to fix it, so change your nighttime routine if you wake up with dry skin. So for that, I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of more skincare products in this one, but let's find out. Oh, not too much. So the first one we have is the Milan and Gotez. It's the Revitalizing Eye Gel, and you get this one in 0.1 fluid ounce. Let's see, where's it open at? I think it's this side. Oh. There we go. Okay. And it comes in this little tiny, I don't know if you can see it very well, this little tiny tube. So it's just a trial size, like most of them are. Let's see, this one is supposed to, this smooths and hydrates gel alleviates tired looking eyes by cooling on contact and brightening the skin with diamond powder. Dab a little under each eye with your ring finger. Not sure why that one specifically, but I'm sure that maybe like this particular finger is smaller than all of the other ones, so it's easier to get to that section. So there's the first item in the box. Alright, so the next one is Dr. Lip, the original nipple balm. That's kind of interesting. Okay, for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. 100% natural. On the back it says 100% natural, multi-awarded winning balm, famous for its long-lasting moisture and glossy effects. Our product 100 uses, or one product 100 uses. Where you apply it is your business. Okay, so I'm assuming that this balm can be used in multiple different aspects, considering it is considered a nipple balm. So yeah, they suggest for rehydrating your skin and lips, soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. So this one is kind of like a body balm all over. So it comes in this little tiny container here, which is actually kind of cute. Let's see what kind of applicator it has. This one has like a lip applicator that you would get for like lip glosses and stuff like that, so that's kind of nice. And then this one is 3 milliliters or 0.1 fluid ounce as well. Alright, next one we have is the Jara Coconut Lippy Hand and Nail Balm. So this hydrates, conditions hands, nails, and cuticles. What it says lippy. Alright, so this one on the back, it says an ultra rich hand balm made to treat, soften dry hands and cuticles. Apply on hands when skin feels dry. Massage daily into cuticles. Let's see, what's this one? It's supposed to be fast absorbing, moisturizing balm, heals, hydrates, and firms dry hands while treating nails and cuticles. So this right here is supposed to be, let's see if we can get a better look at it. It's supposed to be like your typical hand cream that you can use on your cuticles, nail area, and all over your hands, so you don't have to use like separate items, which is kind of nice. And it says coconut, so it really does smell like really kind of tropically coconutty. It reminds me of that sun oil that you would use for like tanning. It's like a suntan oil or something like that. I don't know. You put it on, you lay out in the sun, you're supposed to tan better. Alright, so the next one is Alteria. It's the Caviar Anti-Aging. And I think I've shown this brand before. And it's something else. I think it was like a hair kit. Alright, this one replenishes moisture, priming, leave-in conditioner. So it's supposed to be a detangle prime. It's for fine and dry hair. So there's that one. Alright, let's see. This one comes in 25 milliliters or 0.8 fluid ounces. And then the thing here says that this detangler leave-in conditioner, it has the caviar extract base formula, restores moisture, elasticity, shine to dry or damaged hair. You just comb it through your damp hair and go. So it's a typical leave-in conditioner. It doesn't claim anything fancy. And then I've already shown this brand before, the Juliette Has a Gun, but this one is in Vanilla Vibes. Let's see what this one. And of course it's the standard little tiny bottle. So like the one I got before, where is it? This one is a different fragrance from the same brand. It's a bigger bottle. Versus this one, which is what I got in the box, little tiny bottle. I happen to like these bottles better, but these ones are nice. And this one has a nice slight scent of vanilla in it. And then if you can see on the back there, maybe you can see it has like a little blue-ish color bottle. And then that's supposed to be what the full-size bottle looks like. Kind of beachy. So this one says, inspired by the California desert and ocean, this vanilla scent isn't too sweet. You'll pick up on the notes of vanilla and orchard blends with sea salt, sandalwood, and tonka beans. So just from smelling it, it does smell very nice. So that is it for the BirchBox items. So if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be very appreciated. And I will see you on the next video.